Greater Noida. Unfortunately, it is yet another instance of a students' university taking political decisions there. In the second such incident in a week, 6 students of a private university in Greater Noida campus have been expelled from the hostel for cheering for Pakistan during the March 2nd Asia Cup game that took place between India and Pakistan. According to reports that are coming in, 4 of the students are from Jammu and Kashmir, 2 are from Aligarh.
We're speaking to the Dean of Students' Welfare at Sharda University following an incident where some students, at least 6 of them, have been expelled from a hostel. So why have these students been expelled? And exams are on in the university. How are they managing now if they're not getting hostel to stay?
They have been removed from the hostel because of the indiscipline activity which they created in the hostel. So in order to maintain discipline, so this is a normal procedure which we do. We remove them the hostel and then we conduct the inquiry. And after the inquiry, if they are found guilty, punishment will be given. They may be removed from the hostel, or we will take them back as soon as they are found that the offence is not that serious.
And so you've said they've been removed from hostel, exams are on. Where are they staying? How are they expected to manage their hostel students?
They have been removed, but their arrangements have been made by the university. They are staying at a place where we are taking care of their stay as well as the food.
And so what prompted this argument or this fight which broke out because of which you had to take this disciplinary action?
See, I'm not very sure what was the main reason, and that's why we are conducting an inquiry. And that inquiry, everything will come out that why it happened, why it started. So let us wait for some time and do the inquiry, and final result will come out.
So there's reports are coming in that the fight was triggered off by some students of Meerut University who also similarly faced a problem because of...
I slightly deny that, and it has no bearing as far as the Meerut incident is concerned, nothing at all. Some WhatsApp messages and the Facebook messages were there, and whatever messages we came to our light, we immediately got them removed. Some students came to me and said that such messages are there, so within no time, within half an hour, as soon as we came to know, we got those messages removed.
Which day did the fight break out, and when did you take this action?
The scuffle was there at about 11 o'clock on 5th of night, when they were having a meeting.
Breakout, and when did you take this action?
The scuffle was there at about 11 o'clock on 5th of night, when they were having a meeting with the warden. Warden had called them. In fact, it started with 2 students. And then, this number came, some supporter from his side, some supporter from that side. So at about 11:30, I was telephoned. I am staying nearby area. So I came within 5 minutes, I reached here. And when I found this, immediately I said, okay, I will take action. So that night I did not remove them. But next morning, at 10 o'clock on 6th morning, I removed them from the hostel.
That was Professor Ranbir Singh making it clear that the students are being looked after even though they have been expelled temporarily. A probe will determine what is to be the next course of action. With video journalist Pawan, this is Seema Kaul for NewsX Delhi. A scuffle between Kashmiri students and those from other parts of India had broken out at this Sharda University campus. The university authorities have said that they deleted the social media messages which triggered off the fight and expelled about 6 students from the hostel as a precautionary measure. The university has paid for the expelled students' accommodation and food while the inquiry is underway. The 6 students are expected to be taken back soon as the inquiry is completed. With video journalist Pawan, this is Seema Kaul for NewsX, Greater Noida.
Well, but we must remember that this incident at Sharda University and the action that has been taken against the Kashmiri students there, this incident comes in the backdrop of another incident of the last week where 68 Kashmiri students of a university in Meerut were suspended for 3 days from the hostel as well as the college there after they reportedly supported the Pakistani cricket team, after they were seen cheering for the Pakistani cricket team in that same match against India on the 2nd of March at the Asia Cup. The UP government even went ahead, slapped sedition charges against the students, but in a matter of few hours, those charges, of course, later were dropped after all that heavy criticism essentially headed by the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Umar Abdullah. But political reactions now are coming in on that move by Sharda University. The news that's breaking this minute, the BJP has gone ahead, supported that action by Sharda University, claiming that the students' actions has amounted to betraying the nation. The BJP clearly supporting the action of Sharda University of suspending the Kashmiri students there from their hostel. Take a listen in.
देश के साथ एक बड़ा भारी विश्वासघात है और कश्मीर के अंदर इस प्रकार की हवा दी जा रही है। कश्मीर के विद्यार्थियों को इस प्रकार का आचरण नहीं करना चाहिए। इससे देश की एकता और अखंडता ये खतरे में पड़ रही है।
The BJP, more news that's breaking with multiple political reactions that are now coming in. The Panthers party has also stepped in to support Sharda University and the action that they've taken against their students. Listen in.
शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी वालों को लेसन लेना चाहिए था कि जो मेरिट यूनिवर्सिटी में वाक़ा हुआ उसकी हर आदमी ने पूरी देश में उसको मजम्मत की कि कोई जस्टिफिकेशन नहीं थी वहां से मेरिट से उन लड़कों को यूनिवर्सिटी से निकालने के लिए। ऐसी बातें करने से अल्टीमेटली हमारे जो नेशनल इंटरेस्ट है उसको नुकसान होता है। और
As you see, once again, students from Jammu and Kashmir, two students from Aligarh as well, all belonging to the Sharda University there. They were seen cheering for Pakistan. In fact, understandably, they sent out some WhatsApp messages during the course of that match between Pakistan and India on the 2nd of March at the Asia Cup, sending out messages there in support of the Pakistani team. The Dean of the University, of course, is labeling it as a disciplinary action, but crux of the matter being that Kashmiri students, yet again, in another case, similar to the case at the Meerut University, they've been suspended from their hostel for supporting the Pakistan team. Political shade being given to that entire incident with multiple political reactions that are now coming in. The BJP as well as the Panthers party has spoken out in support of all that action that Sharda University has taken against these students. The incident that took place last week, in fact, from the universities in Meerut, the UP police, of course, was slammed for the step that they'd taken of slapping charges of sedition against the students. The J&K Chief Minister, Umar Abdullah, of course, slammed that move. In a matter of few hours, of course, those sedition charges there were slapped.